How to send location on Messenger. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook Messenger tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send or share your location on Facebook Messenger. So if you're chatting with someone on Messenger and you want to be able to send them your location, in this video, I'll show you how to do that. And if this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started with sending location on Messenger, the first thing we need to do is open up the Facebook Messenger app on our iPhone or Android phone. Then select the chat where you want to send your location. Once you have the chat open, select the little plus symbol in the bottom left, and then when that opens up, select the little arrow in the middle. Now, if when you do that, you see turn on location access, simply select turn on. Then you'll need to grant access to Messenger to your location. So you have some different options there. I'm going to select allow once, and then all we need to do is select start sharing live location. So select that, and then you will have sent your location in Messenger. All right, so that's how you share location on Facebook Messenger. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.